What is up, investors? Jason here. So in this video, we're going to be doing another update on Cardano. Now, I know you guys like these Cardano updates, so I'm going to try to keep up with them, but also throw in other topics because I've been talking about Cardano in the last few videos here. But anyways, what's going on with Cardano at the moment here is that we've been seeing it stuck in between that price of around $2.35 and $2.55. We're kind of like within that support and resistance right now, and we really need to be breaking above that $2.55 area to find a new support above that so we can start trending back up from there. But what you have to keep in mind is that there was so much priced into the Alonzo update that is causing a little bit of an issue. But we do have some really big news that we need to be getting to about Cardano, and this is great because there is a large number of smart contracts now being developed with Cardano. Last I talked about it with you guys, there was 100. Now there is over 2,000. So we're going to be getting into that in this video. So as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. It helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm, as you guys know, and it helps spread these to more people that might find it interesting. And we've been growing very well on this channel. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you guys. So what's going on with Cardano right now is we have just so much support around 235, 240, and we have so much resistance at a price of $2.55. So we need to be breaking out above 255. We need to find support above that to continue trending back up. But all in all, I mean, I tell you guys this, is that we've moved so much over a short period of time. When we look at where we're at on August 10th, when we were at the price of $1.50, and we broke through that. And then we look at where we're at currently, 235. We've moved a lot in a very short period of time, if you guys do take that in consideration. Now, there's multiple things that have been going on with Cardano if we look at the date of when it had broken the resistance of $1.50. So this looks like a football game plan here, but I'll make some sense of it. So there was an announcement that there was going to be an official announcement of the date that the Alonzo upgrade would take place, and that was going to be coming out on August 13th. And when that official announcement had come out, there was a lot of pricing in leading up to that. So when that announcement came out, we had a bit of pullback that had followed. So 1 week from that point, we had seen the pullback drop down to a support line of $1.90. And then if we look at how the catalyst leading into the Alonzo upgrade had changed the price of Cardano each week, there was, within 2 weeks of that resistance being broken, we had seen the price almost double. It was trying to go to $3 at a time, but it saw a lot of resistance at $2.90. But then each week following, pretty much we had seen the price drop. It was pretty consistent, falling into a new previous support line. And when we actually had the official release of the Alonzo upgrade, we also saw a lot of pullback follow from that as well. And the reason is there was just so much priced in, as you guys know, during that time. But you can see this trend that was going on. Basically, every week we had seen a drop into the next support line that it had previously. And the price pulling back like that is not a big deal at all. It's just a little bit of a correction, and that's something that should be understood, because when you have to figure out what the official catalyst was, when you get that catalyst, and then it kind of settles at a certain price, and that's understandable. And for people that had paid a little bit more for it, it doesn't mean that it's not going to continue trending back up, and especially for somebody that is bullish on it. The thing is that we have now priced in the Alonzo upgrade, and now what it really is about is pricing in what these contracts are going to be worth from there. So the contracts are what the major catalyst now is. We basically started a brand new phase of Cardano with the Alonzo upgrade, so now we're at phase 1 again of a brand new beginning, like I'd said in the past couple of videos. So from this point, it's about how are these smart contracts going to be taking place. So now I want to get into these 2,300 Cardano smart contracts and what that can possibly mean for it, because as you guys know, I think that the price of Cardano could easily be going to a price of $5 to $7 by the end of 2021. Cardano has more than 2,300 smart contracts waiting to be deployed. The Cardano network upgraded last week, and since then, the most topical conversation among added prominence is smart contracts. The use of smart contracts in Cardano network has been a holy grail of sorts for ADA fans and even skeptics. Critics have wondered why ADA has been the third largest crypto asset by market capitalization well before the protocol had smart contract capabilities. Meanwhile, networks like Terra, Avalanche, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, and more have been gathering steam as they already had capabilities with Ethereum and smart contract benefits. Now, currently, there's 2,352 smart contract applications in the works for Cardano. So that's really cool to have a number there and seeing how much it has grown since that 100 we talked about. So looking at the price of Cardano where it's currently sitting at, I have absolutely no problem with the price where it's sitting at, because what this tells me right here is that this is the price of Cardano with the Alonzo upgrade priced into it. Now we have a good understanding of where the support and resistance is. We know it needs to go above that $2.55 to start trending back up even more. But not only that, when we had seen the rally really kick off on August 10th, because we knew that there was going to be an announcement coming out on August 13th, by that time, pretty much half of the Alonzo upgrade was already priced into it at this time, and which ironically is also the next support line right underneath where it's currently sitting at right now, just to make some sort of sense out of it. So by the time that the official announcement for the Alonzo upgrade came out, already half of the Alonzo upgrade was priced into it, if that makes sense to you guys. And I don't know if anybody else has mentioned that. That's why this whole time that I've been doing these Cardano videos, that I've been trying to be clear about the fact that it can turn back down a little bit. And I know a lot of people disagreed with me about that, but realistically, that is something that could happen, and we have to always keep that in mind, that anything is possible. So with that being said, I'd like to hear what everybody's thoughts are. Do you guys think that the price that it's currently sitting at is good and it's a good price to be buying more in, or are you guys kind of just waiting it out to see what happens to the price as we get closer to that Cardano summit? And do you think with that summit, do you think we're going to hear some pretty good information as far as who they're working with and what to really be expecting with the applications, with the smart contracts? I'd like to know what your thoughts and opinions are of that. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon.